Here's something every Android user needs to know. If you've ever struggled to download a file from the internet because the browser blocks it or the website doesn't load properly, then this app will instantly solve that problem. Today I'm showing you the Downloader app and why it's becoming one of the most popular tools for fast and direct downloads on Android. Downloader is designed to make saving files from the internet super easy. No complicated steps, no extra settings, just open the app and you're ready to download anything from videos and audio files to documents, images, or even APK files if you need them. Once you open the app, you'll notice the clean layout. At the top there's a simple search bar where you can paste any link. If you already have a URL, just drop it there and Downloader will immediately recognize the file type and start preparing it for download. But the feature many users love the most is the built-in browser. Instead of copying links or switching between apps, you can browse any website directly inside Downloader. If the file is downloadable, the app will detect it instantly and show you a download button. This makes the process super quick, especially for websites that normally block downloads in regular browsers. After the download completes, you can open the file directly or go to the file manager inside the app. Downloader automatically organizes your downloads so you can rename, move, delete, or share your files without needing another app. And if you download APKs, the app allows you to install them right away, making the whole process smooth and simple. One thing that stands out is speed. Downloader uses optimized servers and a lightweight design, so downloads happen faster than many default browsers, and the app doesn't require complicated permissions, just basic access to storage, so it stays safe and easy to use. If you want one app that handles all your downloads in one place, Downloader is definitely worth trying. It saves time, avoids browser errors, and makes file management much easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful apps and Android tools.